Ah, young lady, you must be happy that you're at the hospital and we are going to assist you accordingly.
Thank you, doctor.
Good. Now tell me, what's your name?
My name is Shina.
Ah, what a sweet name. Shina, what's the problem? Talk to me, Shina. What's the problem? Here, help yourself with this. Help yourself with this. Calm down, young lady. Go down. Here, my dear, drink some water, please.
Thank you. Doctor.
Yes.
I was raped.
Drink some more, please. Calm down. You are at the hospital. We are going to assist you. Okay? Drink a little water. We're going to assist you. Now, tell me, when did the incident happen?
I was raped 2 months ago.
And did you come to the hospital then?
No, doctor.
I see. You see, it is advisable that when you are attacked in that way and such incidents happen, you should be reporting to the police and then coming to the hospital for assistance. But don't worry, yeah? I'm going to assist you.
Thank you, doctor.
So, explain to me if you have any problem.
Doctor, considering that I'm only 12 years and I've never planned to have pregnancy, I'd like you to terminate my pregnancy. I'm seeking for an abortion.
Young lady, are your parents aware that you were defiled and you are pregnant because of the defilement?
Yes, doctor.
That's nice to hear. You did excellent. You see, it is very important for girls to be briefing their parents when such incidents happen. Sorry for the interruption.
Thank you, doctor.
As for the request that you've made to terminate the unplanned pregnancy, let's do it this way. Today we are going to conduct pregnancy tests and other tests, and you'll get your results tomorrow.
Okay, doctor.
Yeah. And Shina, please ensure that when you're coming tomorrow, come with your parent or any guardian for a discussion and counseling.
Okay, doctor. I'll just do that.
Yeah. So you walk out, you turn left, you meet the lab assistant. He's going to conduct the test and everything.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.